Hi there, in this free singing tutorial I'm going to give you some exercises that are going to help you to improve your singing voice. Now this is going to work for you if you're a beginner or if you've been singing for a while. Now I'm going to do the different exercises in for different ranges. Some of you will be able to sing all of them. Some will be too low for some people and some will be too high for others. So I just recommend that you wait until you're comfortable and then stop when it starts to feel uncomfortable. If you keep coming back and doing these exercises, you'll find that eventually your range will increase and you'll feel more comfortable doing a lot more of the exercises in a wider range. So we're going to get started with a control exercise. The sound is oo, and we're going to sing on single notes. So let's start nice and low for those of you with low voices. And we're going to sing for a count of 4. Now when I say sing, I don't mean you need to make it sound nice. You don't need to go ooh. In fact, I want you to not sing with vibrato at the moment. What we want is to get control and then we add vibrato later, but I am going to give you a vibrato exercise at the end. So stick with me, do these exercises, and you'll get the payoff of learning how to create and develop a really beautiful rolling vibrato in a safe way that's not going to strain your voice. So here we go, nice and low, and we sing. Breathe. What was that? And. Now this is also going to warm up your voice a little bit. Sing nice and gently, no pushing or forcing. So you should all be able to sing these pitches. Might be getting a bit high for those of you with actual low, very low voices, like baritone. Go into your head voice if you need to. And you might need to make your voice sound squeaky. It's okay to squeak when you're singing. We all do. Sing nice and lightly. No pushing, nice and light. Also, make sure your head is straight. The next exercise is going to help you with your agility. So that's your ability to move around notes quite quickly. This is going to help you with riffs, with runs and melisma. So the pattern is, we're going to sing to E, because E is a nice small vowel, a small sound. It helps you to develop control. So we're going to sing E, E, E. I'm not sure if my piano playing will hold up, but let's see. So here we go. 5, 6, 7, and E, E, E. Nice and lightly. Nice and lightly, don't push. Last one. The next exercise is a vowels exercise. It's another control exercise, and it's going to help you to get control over the different shapes of the different vowels. So it's R, E, U, O. Let's start down here. That's a bit low for me, so I'm going to sing it in the octave up. A, E, O, but it's actually starting the octave down. A, E, O. Okay, don't try and swallow the note there. Don't sing it in your throat. Sing it down up here in your nose, and you'll find it's easier to get to those lower notes. 6, 7. All of you should be in now. Keep it light as you go up in pitch. Almost there. Last one. Our last exercise is the vibrato exercise that I did promise that I would give you. So vibrato can be done in different ways. This is the best way that I know of doing vibrato. I've tried it lots of different ways, and lots of people sing vibrato in different ways. What I find with most beginners is that they try and they create it in their throat, and then what happens there is that tension is caused, and then they lose the control of the notes when they're singing straight. Or some people can't sing straight, or they don't have control over when the vibrato comes in, because they're so used to just putting it on there to make the song sound nice, which is understandable, but really you want to get the control first and then you add the vibrato. So this is like the Cowardly Lion. This was taught to me by a fantastic voice coach and singer and a fantastic person, Greg Enrique. Go and check him out. This is like the Cowardly Lion from The Wizard of Oz, and he sings the King of the Forest, and it's very diaphragmatic. Now we're not going to sing as exaggerated as that, but we are going to practice that to develop the muscles, to develop the muscle memory, and to develop the style of vibrato. And then you're going to find that you have a really nice rolling vibrato that sounds very natural when you bring it in. So we're going to sing, I'm going to bring it up a bit. No, let's start there. We're going to sing, I'm going to sing in my octave, but for the people with low voices, it's here. Now that's very exaggerated. You will need to do that at the beginning, and eventually you can build up to. But if you can't do that straight away, do it in half time. So this is for the people with lower voices. 5, 6, 7, and. For those of you with slightly higher voices, here we go. Carry on if you have a lower voice and can continue. And. Let's keep going. Those of you with higher voices, join in. Last one. So if you keep coming back and doing these exercises daily, you're going to find that your voice improves really quite quickly, just within a couple of weeks. Now, I'm not saying that you're going to go from a beginner to a great singer, but you will see definitely some improvement within a couple of weeks. So I trust that you've enjoyed this video. Remember to hit the like button if you have. Share it with someone that you think will benefit. Take my free 5-day course. You'll find it in the linked comment or in the description. And I will see you in the next video. Stay hydrated. Ciao!